Hello, everyone, and thank you for tuning in. Today, we're going to be just looking at the strength of altcoin market. Last week I did the state of altcoins, but this will be something similar, so I'll probably call it the state of altcoins again. But because we're in a new month, it's something to keep an eye on. Obviously, on the monthly chart, the monthly chart is probably the most valuable. In my view, in any kind of financial market, especially cryptocurrency. This is where you get to see the real macro moves of the market. And what we see is that the month of April was one of the best months for altcoins the past 2 years. January 2021 was a 7.89 percentage point drop. The month of April was a 10.01% percentage point drop. We haven't seen something like that since April of 2018, where we dropped about 8.35 points, but a 16.82% drop on the chart. But again, haven't seen anything like that in a very, very long time, and I am very happy. What is the big question? Is this a continuation? Are we going to continue into the month of May? And what we see with altcoins like Ethereum, when we talk about plays like Litecoin and XRP, where they're just coming out of the best time to buy these assets when it's in these accumulation ranges, right? And we think that the move is coming very soon. It really leads me to believe that this is a continuation. March May is going to be a continuation, and I'm scared to feel so determined about it because it just seems so. But keep in mind that Bitcoin can change the game whenever it wants to. Um, as of right now, Bitcoin is holding strong at about $57,000. It has continued to move sideways. It has essentially moved sideways for the entire month of April. Okay, we are only down 1.71% for the month of April. So we have been moving sideways for the past month. If we continue this sideways moving action, it makes me even more determined that the Bitcoin dominance is going to drop. However, if this is going to be something like the last cycle, 2017, where we see an 8% drop month, or if we see a 10% drop month, the following months are green months. So that could also happen. May could be a great month for Bitcoin. It could get us to rally up to into the 60,000s, who knows? But if that is the case, then Bitcoin dominance will start to wane. It will bottom out and start moving up if that is the case. I don't want that to happen just yet. I want altcoin season to run as long as possible because altcoins do outpace Bitcoin in an altcoin season, and it's the best time to accumulate more Bitcoin with your altcoins. When we look at altcoins like Ethereum that have been doing extremely well against Bitcoin, when we look at altcoins like Cardano that have been doing very well against Bitcoin, or VeChain, when we look and see that the month of April poised 134% move up against Bitcoin, and that is just to the candle body. If we do it to the wick, it's a 221% move. So these are the moments when you have your altcoin positions where you can seize the opportunity to have a larger Bitcoin position. And I think that is the name of the game. In my view, the goal is to increase your Bitcoin position, and ultimately that will increase your US dollar position. It just makes you better positioned to uh, market moves because Bitcoin is the market mover. And if Bitcoin moves negatively in any way, well, guess what? Your altcoin positions are going to bleed further. But with that said, uh, looking at this, it really feels like this is going to be a continuation. That doesn't have to be the case, but with considering factors of the momentum of Ethereum, Chainlink waking up, Chainlink is up 4% now, and seeing plays like Litecoin and XRP just starting to break out, it really leads me to believe that altcoins can have a pretty good month in May, and we could potentially see it go down even further. This would be the ultimate target. I'm not sure it will, but one man can hope. At this moment right now, Total 2 is looking at a $1 trillion market cap. Uh, First time in history, the altcoin market is now worth $1 trillion. The the total market cap, including Bitcoin, is now comfortably sitting at over $2 trillion, which is good, and something that is, you know, this almost seems comical. The months from October 2020 to now just seem comical. Like just just green month after green month after green month. It's hard to believe that that's the case, but here we are. With that said, altcoins still have strength. Altcoins are still making the moves. I have yet to see an instance. I have yet to see evidence yet that things are going to be turning around. The only thing that's looming is the 20-week moving average for Bitcoin. But even then, if it does go down to the 20-week moving average, it's not catastrophic. Again, no evidence to suggest that this is going to be the market top and that the party is over. Even when we look at the RSI, which I mentioned, Bitcoin on the monthly RSI was getting pretty toppy. We got to as high as 91.73, or I should do the BLX. We got to a high of 91.73, while RSI tops in prior years was also in the 90s. We're looking at 94, 96, but luckily it's 91. So we didn't quite get there yet. Doesn't leave me, which leads me to believe that this isn't the market cycle top. This isn't the top that we see Bitcoin do and completely just fall off the face of the earth. What this could be the prior the second top. As you notice that on the RSI we have double tops each time, each market cycle we have double tops on the RSI. So with that said, this could be the first RSI top, but we have yet to see that. We don't know yet. Um, and this thing is only going to happen if it's hindsight. But if we did go to 96, 94, 94, 96, I would say that things are getting pretty toppy. If we get any higher into the upper 90s, then that's a problem because Bitcoin is moving too high too fast, and and this is not good. We haven't seen that yet. So again, no evidence to suggest that this is the market cycle top, that the party is over, and no evidence to suggest that the party for altcoins is over just yet. When you look at this chart, tell me if you think that this is a market cycle top for altcoins. The momentum is on our side, and I'm just happy to see it. But that's all for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.